If you have an Excel file and want to run an analysis in SPSS, it's more convenient to directly import the data rather than having to retype the entries. I'm using SPSS 27 in this example, but this should work for most versions of SPSS. The first thing you want to do is open the Excel file. The first row, that's row 1, should have your variable name and a column of numbers. Close the Excel workbook because you can only import closed Excel files into SPSS. Next, open SPSS, click File, then click Import Data, Excel. Locate your file on your computer. The file I want to import is test results, and that was in my YT March folder. If you don't see your file, make sure that this box says Excel, then click Open. Leave the Read Variable Names from the first row of data box checked. This tells SPSS that you want to import the variable names in that Excel file. In the Worksheet drop-down menu, choose the sheet. My Excel had a single sheet, 1, so I'm going to go ahead and leave that. If you had multiple sheets in your Excel file, click the drop-down menu and select the sheet you want to import. The percentage is the proportion of values in a column that matches a specific data type for SPSS. SPSS will assign the data to a variable. 95% here is the default, but this can be any number above 50. If SPSS can't determine the data type based on this information, it will assign the data to a string variable. Click OK. And if we go to variable view, we see that SPSS has assigned our data the correct variable type. If that was not the case, here's where you can change the measure. I hope you found the video helpful. Please take a moment to subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you in the next video.